Hi, in this video you can see how I used a single door bathroom cabinet to make a dressing table for my kids' room. Here you can see I already assembled all the parts. I'm going to reinforce the back side of the cabinet before fixing the legs. Here I'm getting the exact measurement of the part which will fit inside that frame on 4 sides. Then I marked that size into another wood board. Cut it out and I used some heavy duty glue to attach it into that back part. The legs are from IKEA. You can get it for cheap price if you buy from the shop itself. It was really easy to screw the legs into the wood boards. Few of the screws were larger than the others, so it came through to the other side, and I used a protective foam tape over it. It actually took a few minutes to complete this table, and none of the tables are complete without a stool. And here I am upgrading an old dressing table stool. To reupholster it, we need to take out its frame and legs. Then I removed its old lining and its cover. I'm turning it into a white color stool, so I'll be using a lining inside because mostly the white fabric materials are see-through. Then I used a staple gun to secure its 4 sides. If you are new to my channel, I am Jessie and welcome to my channel. I usually make this kind of videos, so if you like it, subscribe and turn on the notification so you can see my videos straight away. To complete it with, I'm using a lining fabric and securing it with hot glue. I made it for my kids' room and it really fits in their space and suits their room. If you want to watch how I made the mirror into video, there will be a link below. And that's all for today's video. Until I see you next time. Bye bye.